In this video, I will be showing you how to go live on TikTok. If you're on TikTok and you have up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll show you how to go live. And even if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, I'll advise you to stay up to the end of this video to see how you can be able to go live as well. So if you have up to 1,000 subscribers and you want to go live on TikTok, this is how you go about it. For example, you click on the plus sign down, you swipe left, you see the live, you click on live. Here you have to add your live title. You add your title here. As you can see what I add, let's grow together. You have to add topic. You click on it, you select a pick. We'll be going with live match. You tick live, you click on live match. You can as well add enhancements, like if you want to make it smooth, you want to change filters, things like that, you can as well do it there. So once you finish making every necessary settings, even you can as well add effects. Once you finish adding effects, adding all this, you can click on go live. This way we are going live. Currently live on TikTok. I'm live currently. So that is it on how to go live if you have up to 1,000 subscribers. And if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers and you want to go live, how you go about it is to go to other people's live. Once you go to their live, you can go to their live and as you can currently live now. I'm currently live. So I'm saying if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers and you want to go live, you can go to their live and you multi-group with them. You request to join their live. So that is it on how to go live for people that are not up to 1,000 subscribers. I believe this tutorial is helpful, guys. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video. I'll see you guys in my next video.